Hello, it's Marie with Desert Rose Crafting. Welcome to my channel. Today I am participating in Christ is Risen, hosted by Favi at Arrows DIY. Her YouTube channel link and the playlist for the other creators will be in the description box below. On to my church DIY. Items needed is a shadow box from Target's Dollar Spot, from the Dollar Tree this burlap lace ribbon, blue glitter, glass containers, 4 tumbling tower blocks, and these window stickers. We may need 2 packs of those stickers. Also needed from Hobby Lobby is this felt, flowers, ribbon, crosses, and the miniature Bible and small round wood pieces are from Michaels. Lastly, you're going to need some scissors, a glue gun, and a glue stick for the candles. The first thing we need to do is paint the wood blocks with some antique wax. You can use some wood glue or some hot glue. You just need to glue 3 of these together side by side. Then we're going to stand it upright, and then we're going to put the top block across it like that. So this is how it looks so far. We need about 4 inches of this ribbon, and that's going to be the linen on top of the altar. Take your ribbon, fold it in half, and we're going to seal the end with hot glue. I didn't have any white lace, so I had to improvise, and I'm going to take this from the burlap ribbon. Fold the lace in half, and then we're going to wrap around both ends and secure with hot glue. Next, glue this on the top and straight down the sides. So this is what we've got so far, so let's continue. For the cross we're going to use on the altar, we need to remove the loop that's on the back. Just take some wire cutters. Look how pretty that looks. Next, carefully remove these 2 windows. Take your felt and then trace around the window, and then we're going to cut it out and glue it to the back. Look how pretty these look. I love the colors. For the other window, you can slowly peel this back and use your scissors to trim this part out. Repeat the same process you used with the other windows. So this is how it came out, and I decided that I should use 2 of those sticker packs, because if you put one on top of the other, it looks really pretty that way. And for the other windows, you could put on the sides. Next, I'm going to cut off some of these little flowers, and we're going to put them in the little glass containers. I have this tiny little funnel, and I'm going to pour some glitter in there. We're going to make it look like some water. Next, start arranging all your little flowers. To create the candles, I'm just going to cut to the size I want the candles to be. I'm going to use this as a candle holder, and I'm going to hot glue the glue stick right on there. Next, secure your cross right at the top. Okay, let's put this all together now. Here it is, a final reveal. I really love how this church DIY turned out. I added some stickers, and they say, "For God so loved the world, and the Lord is my light and my salvation." And that is so true. I am thankful to have been part of this with the other creators on the playlist, including our host, Favi at Arrows DIY. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here. Thank you for watching, and God bless.